Hello, hello, dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine, children. Welcome back in our GK oral class. As you can see, this is your GK book. So, today we will learn body parts by this book. So, take out your GK book and now we are going to start our class. Okay, so first of all you will write the date here. Okay, write the date 11-4-2021. Okay children, now see all about me मीन्स आपके पार्ट्स के बारे में यहाँ पर बताया गया है. So let us start. All of you are ready? Very good. See children, you have to read after me, then we will do oral practice. Okay children? See, EYES eyes, EYES eyes, MOUTH mouth, MOUTH mouth, TONGUE tongue, TONGUE tongue, HAIR hair, HAIR hair, CHEEK cheek, CHEEK cheek, EARS ears, EARS ears, NOSE nose, NOSE nose, TEETH teeth, TEETH teeth, FACE face, FACE face, LIPS lips, LIPS lips, NECK neck, NECK neck. Now children, you will not learn the spelling, only body parts name you have to learn. So let us revise one more time. Say after me children. Eyes, eyes, mouth, mouth, tongue, tongue, hair, hair, cheek, cheek, ears, ears, chin, chin, nose, it's our nose, teeth, teeth, face, it's our face, lips, lips, neck, what is neck? Now let us see the question related to this page. See children, how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? So what will be the answer of this question? We have how many eyes? 2 eyes. So answer of this question, we have 2 eyes. Okay. Now next question, how many ears do you have? How many ears do you have children? 2. Very good. How many ears do you have? 1, 2. 2 ears you have na? So answer will be of this question what? We have 2 ears. Then What do you do with your teeth? आप आपके teeth से क्या करते हैं? Bite. We bite with our teeth. We bite with our teeth. Now next question. What do you do with your nose? So what will be the answer? Nose से हम क्या करते हैं? Smell. Very good. So answer of this question will be we smell with our nose. Okay children? So let us repeat one more time answers of these questions. How many eyes do you have? 2. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. How many ears do you have? 2. How many ears do you have? 2. What do you do with your teeth? Bite. What do you do with your teeth? Bite. What do you do with your nose? Smell. Okay. Now we will write in front of these questions. Okay. How many eyes do you have? Write here. T W O 2. How many ears do you have? 2. What do you do with your teeth? Bite. B-I-T-E. B-I-T-E. Bite. What do you do with your nose? S-M-E-L-L. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay. Now, one more time we will repeat the answers of these questions. How many eyes do you have? 2. How many eyes do you have? 2. How many ears do you have? 2. What do you do with your teeth? Bite. What do you do with your teeth? Bite. What do you do with your nose? Smell. What do you do with your nose? Smell. Okay children? So in this way you have to learn these body parts name and these questions answer also. So till then, bye children. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.